So I'm having a problem with deers, y'all. This row right here had peas on it. But the deers came and ate up the peas. The deers also came and bit up some of my corn. Bit the tops off of the corn that I have. And then they came over, y'all, and they got my butter beans. Let me show y'all what they did. Y'all see how they did that? They cut off all the leaves off of them. Not all of them. They just bit around it to get the growth where it was growing at. And all because, y'all know what happened? My husband did not turn on the electric fence. So they got through. And they had them a joyful time eating up my butter beans, my peas that were just starting to grow, and some of the corn. Now I was told that they eat peas. I was told that. But eating up the corn, that's brand new. It's brand new to me. But yeah. So, husband, I'm going to need for you to remember to cut on that electric fence. Because this right here is not good. I had 4 rows. These deer just came through. And they had them as a ball. They ate them all the way down. All the way down to here, y'all. That's what the deers did. So I'm going to have to start over. If they don't keep growing, I'm going to have to replant some butter bean seeds. Because these deers had a feast that night. So, that's what happened. That's what's that is what happened. Y'all pray for this garden. We're gonna make it though. We're gonna make it. Talk to y'all later. Goodbye.